You're welcome. Let us see how we can solve for the value of x. In other words, you can first pause the video and try it out on your own. So we are required to find the value of x. We have the figure here. We've been given the angles. This is 42 degrees. This is 50 degrees and then 30. So they want us to find the value of x. So let us have the response here, rather the solution to the question. So if we consider triangle A, B, C, we can now let this angle be M and also this angle be N. And if we consider the triangle ABC, it implies that this angle, the whole angle here, which is the M plus the 42 degrees, then also plus the whole of this, and that is having N plus the 30 degrees, then plus the 50 degrees to give us a total of 180 degrees. Then from here, we can have the M plus the N, then plus the sum of 42, 30 and 50 is giving me 122 degrees, should be equal to 180 degrees. Then from here we can collect like terms. So we have M plus the N, then plus the 122 degrees minus the 122 degrees equals to 180 degrees minus 122 degrees. So we have now our M plus the N being equal to, so if I make a difference here, I'm getting 58 degrees. We can now name this as equation 1. Having gotten this expression as equation 1, we can now proceed and consider the triangle ABD. So let us consider the triangle ABD. It implies that if I sum up this angle M plus angle N, then plus the angle X, should give us the 180 degrees. But from our equation 1, which is this, we will see that the angle M plus the angle N should give us 58 degrees. That means we can substitute in this and then solve for x. So it implies that we have now our 58 degrees, which is the sum of the two angles, the M and N, then plus the x, giving us the 180 degrees. Then from here we can collect like terms. So we have now the 58 degrees minus the 58 degrees plus the x that we want equals to 180 degrees. Take away the 58 degrees. So in here they cancel, we shall remain with x on the left hand side being equal to the 180 degrees. Take away 58 degrees. So if I calculate here, I'm getting the difference as the value of x being equal to 122 degrees. We can now conclude as per the question that therefore the value of x is 122 degrees. So this becomes our correct answer for the value of x. And thanks for watching. If this video has been of value to you, kindly subscribe to the channel for more videos of the kind. See you again next time. Goodbye.